back to my channel. This is Swift Wellness. I am Ashley, and today we're starting off our 10-minute workout series with a bicep and tricep workout. This entire workout uses light weights, but of course if you prefer to go heavier, go right for it. And if you don't have any weights at home, that's okay. You can do this entire workout with body weight only. And of course, if you prefer longer workouts, make sure to check out our channel for 30-minute options. And as always, like and subscribe so you don't miss a single video we upload each week. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's go ahead and get this workout started. Just to let you know, here's how the workout is going to go. We're going to go through a series of biceps, immediately followed by a tricep exercise. We're going to go through this entire set of exercises, and then we're going to do it one more time. We're spending about 30 seconds on each exercise. I'll go a little bit slower at the beginning on that first round, so you get accustomed to the movements, but after that, we're gonna go right through it. So get those weights ready. If you have household items, anything that you want to use, this is a quick workout. We've only got 10 minutes, so we're gonna go right into it. We're gonna start off with the bicep curl, opening up, palms up to the sky, squeezing, keeping those elbows right next to our body. Good, you're just curling and releasing. Again, we're here for 30 seconds, and then we'll switch. Focus on that big inhale, exhale as I curl. Good. You've got 5 seconds, and we're gonna transition right into a tricep kickback. Palms still face the ground in 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and flip your rotation, hinge at the hips. Palms face the ground as you extend, curl. Extend, curl. Really think about keeping those elbows up, core straight. Feeling those triceps start to burn. Again, rotating very quickly between biceps and triceps. You've got 5. We're switching back to biceps in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, stand it up, transition right into a bicep hammer curl. Palms face the inside of your body, squeezing up and down. Focus on making sure that you're not arching through the back, swinging in the hips. Make sure you're feeling it in those biceps as you reach up and down. Good. About to switch again into triceps in 5. This time pinkies to the sky in 3, 2, and 1. Hinging at the hips, pinkies to the sky, elbows stay up, squeeze, and release. Squeeze, really extending those arms. Inhale as my weights come to my shoulders, and exhale as I press away. Got 5. We're again standing up in 3, 2, and 1. Good. Back to biceps, elbows up, palms face together, core squeezed in nice and tight. You're extending and then bringing those weights back to the shoulder. Again, it's an extension and then a curl. So from the side, my shoulders are never dropping. My elbows are nice and parallel with the ground. Holding that core in nice and tight. You've got 5. It's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Switching over into a tricep extension. Elbows up by your ears. Both weights come together. I'm squeezing and releasing. Again, keeping your core nice and tight. I'm dipping down so that you can see. However, if you're standing nice and tall, make sure your back is not arching. Extending through those elbows. Good, you got it. We got biceps. Again in 5, 4, 3, squeezing 2, and 1. Good, drop those weights. We're going into a half up. So palms at your sides, Facing forward, you're going half up and down. Right to 90 degrees. From the side again, squeezing, release. Good. Again, no arch in the back. Big inhale, exhale, don't hold your breath here. We're gonna hinge in 5, going into tricep presses in 3, 2, and 1. Again, hinging at the hips, arms extend. We're gonna slightly bend and extend. Bend and extend. Micro movement here, squeeze. Again, don't hold your breath. Should be really feeling those triceps shake. I know mine are. Squeeze and extend. We've got one last exercise. We'll shake it out, and then we'll go through that entire thing one last time. Good, we're going into biceps in 3, 2, and 1. Good, this time it's half down, the opposite of what we did last time. Again, avoid that swing, core nice and tight. Inhale, exhale. Feeling those arms on fire. We've got 5. Last tricep exercise in 3, 2, and 1. Same thing, hinging at the hips into that tricep kickback. This time we're squeezing, palms come together. This is your last 30 seconds. We'll shake it out before we go back through that entire thing one more time. Fight for it here. Don't let your arms drop. I know everything in you wants to. You've got 10 seconds. It's 5. You get to drop it in 3, 2, and 1. Good. Shake out those arms. Take a second. We're gonna go 2 shoulder rolls. You know exactly what we're doing this time, so we're gonna go faster. And I'm gonna be quiet and let you do the work. So let's start that bicep curl in 3, in 2, and 1. Curling up. Just a series of bicep, tricep, bicep, and tricep. Working those opposing muscles. Core squeezed, no swing. Good, you've got 5, you've got 4. Tricep kickbacks in 3, 2, and 1. Again, hinge and palms to the ground. Squeeze, lift those arms. Working through that pain, feeling those triceps. Good, you've only got 10 seconds here. This workout goes fast. Good, you got 3. Bicep hammer curls in 2 and 1. Quick transition, same as before. Curl, curl. Feeling that release in those biceps as we switch back and forth. Biceps always feel like a break for me. It's the triceps that are hard. Got 5. Tricep kickbacks in 3, 2, and 1. Same thing, this time pinkies to the sky. Curling in and out. Good, it's in, out. I'm right here with you. Feeling that burn. Holding strong. You've got 10 seconds. See how quick this goes? Keep breathing. Switching to those biceps. Holding those arms up in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Palms face your face. Hands together, arms up. Squeeze. And bring those weights to the shoulders. Squeeze. Core nice and tight. No arch, no swing. Drop those elbows. Tricep extensions in 5, in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Elbows up, weights extend, squeezing the core, elbows all the way up. We're almost through this entire workout. We've got 2 sets. 10 seconds in this position. It's 5. Going into biceps in 4, 3, 2, and 1. You've got that half up curl, halfway, and lower. I'm right here with you. This burn is intense. Just fighting through it. Curling all the way. You've got 3, 2, going into those presses in 1. Palms together, little baby presses through the elbows. I know you want to drop those arms. Don't do it. Stay strong. It's burning, I know. You've got 10 seconds. We've got our last set of biceps in 5, in 4, 3, 2, and 1. You've got half down, squeeze. Last minute. Burning it out. You can do anything for a minute. You've got 10 seconds, last bicep. Keep working. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last tricep exercise, squeezing in, palms together, keeping those arms all the way up. Deep breath, don't hold your breath here. Good, you've got 10 seconds. Can you get a little higher? A little higher with those arms, holding them up, squeezing. You've got 10. You can reach a little farther as you press, as you squeeze together. You've got 5. It's 4. It's 3, 3.5, 2, and 1. Good. Shake those arms out. You made it. Great work today, guys. I hope that 10-minute workout was exactly what you needed, because I know my biceps and triceps are absolutely on fire. Of course, make sure to check out our channel for other longer options, as well as stretching and cool down exercises. And of course, make sure to share our channel with your friends and like and subscribe so you don't miss a single video we upload each week. Have a great day.